The Alliance has designed the RO building to incorporate a centralized plant switch room that facilitates enhanced safety and operational reliability. The entire RO building has been designed to provide the most efficient hydraulic solution, with the UF and RO located in a direct line. The switch room is a two-story steel frame that is clad with precast concrete panels. The switch room design incorporates false floors to simplify cable routing to the control panels. The steel-framed structure is a very cost-effective solution that allows a simple and fast erection sequence. To address noise, the west wing contains the pumps and energy recovery device, while the east wing will contain the RO racks for both the first and second pass. As well as physical separation of the two zones to maximize acoustic performance, precast concrete wall panels will be used in conjunction with noise-absorbing Dura panels in the roof. Temporary works have been assessed to address the safe installation of the roof, the solar panels and ventilation systems. Here, we show the installation sequence of the RO racks for the Alkimos desalination plant, specifically the racks in the south of the RO building. The modularized RO racks will be fully assembled and tested off-site prior to preparation for transport. The Alliance will conduct routine quality inspections at the factory during the manufacture and assembly, ensuring the works are of the highest standard. This will provide greater certainty to the construction schedule by minimizing rework on-site. In the prepared laydowns, the rack elements will be reassembled from the fully traceable modules. The rack shall be dressed out with the balance of pipe supports, spools, sampling lines and instruments. This allows building works to continue in parallel and minimizes construction interfaces. After inspection, the fully assembled racks shall be moved to the end of the RO building and placed on proprietary rails for skating into the final position. The animation shows the progressive installation of the structures, RO racks, pipework and cable trays into the building. This approach allows for safe access during installation of pipes and structures that exist between the racks and back into the pump room. Spools are progressively installed underneath the RO racks from transportable lengths forming long headers. From there, the spools connecting these under-rack headers shall be installed, tying them into the RO rack vertical manifolds. Field joints are minimized along with associated construction hazards. All pipework will be thoroughly cleaned and flushed after installation to ensure the sensitive RO membranes are protected from damage during commissioning. Once the RO racks are fully installed and the balance of building services are fitted out, the buildings can have the end walls constructed. Final leak testing of the systems can then be completed prior to handover to commissioning. The Alliance design includes doors on the eastern side of the building opposite each RO rack. Human factors analysis and the health and safety of maintenance crews whilst removing pressure vessels has influenced the design, resulting in this outcome. Maintenance crews set up inside the building and outside in elevated work platforms. A mobile crane has the ability to extend through the opening to safely lift and carry the weight of the pressure vessels. The crew can transfer the pressure vessels out of the racks for replacement as required.